Welcome everyone! In this tutorial we'll see how to book a car on Traveldoo. On the Traveldoo homepage, click on the car symbol to reserve a vehicle. Then fill in the fields pickup location and drop-off location, and the dates, times and reason for the trip. Note that depending on your company and its suppliers, it's possible to rent a vehicle at a company site. In this case, the option Company Site will be offered in the drop-down menu of the pickup location and drop-off location fields. This type of reservation can be done either via the site or through another means established by your company. In the search options, you can refine your search based on the type of vehicle you want, or on specific rental companies. You can then click on the search button. Depending on your company's travel policy, you'll be offered several car rental companies, and depending on the search performed and the choices offered, you'll be able to select a specific collection and return location. The rates are, as a rule, displayed by a rental company from the cheapest to the most expensive rate available, but this may depend on the settings and supplier preferences of your company. It's possible to select and sort this display according to compliance with the travel policy or by price. The collection agency is indicated in the rate description, and there are details of its location, opening hours, and possibly the number to contact if provided by the agency. For car rentals, prices are indicated according to the vehicle category. Information relating to the types of vehicle is shown under the category, and only those defined and authorised by your company's travel policy will be offered to you by default. The P icon in green means that the category and the rate comply with the travel policy. A non-compliant rate will be indicated by the P icon travel policy in red. You can choose the rate that meets your needs, depending on the type of vehicle, engine and mileage desired. Note that the prices include basic insurance, and that additional insurance may be offered to you according to the policy of each rental company when taking charge of the vehicle. Once you've chosen the rental company and the vehicle category, click on Select and Reserve, or on Add to My Selection to add other services. You're now on the last page of the reservation process. On the left is a summary of your order. You can complete certain personal details if they've not already been entered in the traveller profile. For example, you can add a loyalty program. Depending on the system settings, you may have to enter other analytical information or a reason for travel, but you also have the option of adding a message to the rental company. Finally, click on Complete this reservation to finalize the booking. You will then receive an email containing the reservation number to present to the rental company. Thanks for watching, and see you soon on Traveldoo!